Welcome to Lettuce Fake Snack Attack. Today we're making slime you can eat.
Before you begin, you're gonna need one witch's hand. John's joking, but you will need the hand of an adult, so grab a grown-up.
Today we're going to be using gummy bears. We've gone ahead and separated our gummy bears by color.
You'll want to put your gummy bears into 2 heat-proof bowls.
Microwave your gummies on low for 15-second intervals until melted.
Using your oven mitts, you want to remove the bowls carefully. Ugh, those bears have seen better days.
Add 1 tablespoon of icing sugar to the gummy bears.
And gently stir in using a silicone spatula.
We want to be able to pick up our slime, so we're going to use an extra tablespoon or 2 of icing sugar.
The more you use, the less sticky it gets. Grab your grown-up one more time to make sure your slime is cool to touch.
And when they say it is, it's time to play with your food. And don't forget, guys, this is the slime you can eat.